I'm going to show you how to make stamen for your lily and how to attach them. You want to grab your round nose pliers and right at the end of your wire, give it a little whoop like that, and chuck your wire cutter on your finished piece. Cut it to length, and we're going to size it up. See, does that look good? We like it? Yes. Grab a little flux, and whoops, we're going to grab our bent nose pliers, and floomp, just put a little floomp of solder, and pick up that whole little stamen. That'll keep it round on both sides. The solder will be round on both sides like that. See, floomp, floomp. And then we're going to do it again. Floomp. You can make them all ahead of time, or you can make them as you go, whatever makes you feel happy. I like to make them ahead of time. Whee! Make sure it's nice and cooled off before you let it go. Last one. I lied. Now that was the last one. All right, let's attach them. Lots of flux. And you're going to hold your soldering iron, and you want to let it sink in. Ready? Oop, we're getting there, we're getting there. And it sunk into the solder. That way it's nice and firmly attached. Going forward on the second one. Hold. Hold. The hotter your underneath solder, your solder lines are, the warmer that still is, the faster and easier this will be. If you're finding difficulty, like I'm doing right here, you may need to clean your tip, like I just did, and you probably need to add more flux. Grab just a little bit more solder, and we're gonna sink again. See, whoop, look at that, that went way faster. So those are 3 of your issues that it could be. Either you didn't have warm enough solder beneath, you need more flux, or you need to clean your tip. Whoop, see, that one went super easily. All right, and now we're gonna fix where everything kind of joined up here. Coming in here, gonna go over the whole thing. You just want to watch when you're going over it. Don't stay on too long, or all of the little stamen can kind of start moving around all over the place, since they're all attached under the same bloomp of solder. Couple more fixes. Get our lines nice, check everything else out. Oh, that edge view is a little and we're good to go. Let me know if you have any questions. Peace, love, stained glass. Okay, bye.